Hi guys, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗡. So we're currently here in Station 2 of Boracay Island, Philippines. So let's take a walking tour of Starbucks here in Boracay Station 2. So there's the Starbucks. It's actually beside Jerry's Grill and Paolo Collection. So let's go inside and let's have a walking tour. Thank you so much. So they sell here Boracay mugs. Hello. Starbucks merchandise exclusive for Boracay Starbucks. So here are the Boracay mugs. And more Boracay mugs here. Hello. Morning. So let's go upstairs. Oops, sorry. So they do have a roof deck here. So there's the smoking area. Thank you so much. So we're now in the roof deck of Starbucks Boracay. So there's the view from the roof deck. Okay. So there you go. Here's the Starbucks Boracay. Okay, so again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗡. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.